Diamonds, it's Jamequa and welcome to my channel where I show you the ins and outs of what it means to be an entrepreneur. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can take contactless payments at your next pop-up shop. Before I get into this video, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload. Let's get right into this video. Turning your ideas into a successful online business can be hard, especially if you don't know where to start or where to continue in your business. But don't worry, I'll provide you with the proper tools to build a loyal clientele. So in my last video on how to set up for your next pop-up shop, I showed you all that you can take card payments with the Square card reader, or you can take payments using the PayPal chip reader. In this video, we'll be utilizing PayPal. PayPal has this thing where you can sign up for a PayPal account and then create a QR code. We're going to be using a QR code to take contactless payments at our next pop-up shop. Now, one thing that I do like about this feature is that you can not only take contactless payments, but you can also customize multiple QR codes for different amounts. Say for instance, you had like a hairbrush that was 50 cents and you had a scrunchie that was $1. You can put the amount in your PayPal account and it'll come up with the QR code for that amount. So you can have multiple QR codes at your table. All they have to do is scan it with their phone and pay. So I'm gonna go in and show you how to use this feature. We are here in my PayPal and I'm gonna show you all how you can sign up for your QR code. We're going to go to pay and get paid, and then over here it says QR code, so we're going to click that. And this is where you'll sign up for your QR code. And it also tells you that they have an app, the PayPal app, which I advise you to get. Download your code, you print it out, and you can put it on different items that are on your table. So it gives you a little background on how the QR codes work. It's easy to set up. It's 100% touch-free. You do have some transaction fees that go with it, but that's with anything with PayPal. And then you are also protected as a PayPal seller. So that includes chargebacks, reversals, and other. We are going to go ahead and generate our code. So this is my code right here, and it tells you right here to download your code. So when you download your code, it's going to show up right here on your computer. You're going to click on it, and this is your main QR code. So this is the QR code for your business. Right here on the left corner at the bottom, you see it says scan. I'm going to click on that. And this is if you were at someone's table and they had a QR code, you can scan it and pay them. This is show to pay, like CVS. I know they take payments through QR code. They would scan your QR code, and any items that you bought from CVS, you can pay with your PayPal account. But what we're going to focus on is get paid, because we're trying to get paid here. So like I said, this is my QR code for my business. So anybody who scans this will be able to pay my business. So we're going to customize this business QR code to specific items in our business. So we're going to hit the pencil and it says add amount. So this is where we're going to customize the pricing to each QR code. So say for instance, I had a hairbrush for 50 cents. I would put in 50 cents and then hit apply checkout QR code, and it says your QR code has been updated. Every time someone scans this specific QR code, it's gonna say 50 cents. It's gonna show up 50 cents on their phone, and they're gonna pay like that. And then you can go back in. Say for instance, I had a item on my table for $50. I'm gonna apply the QR code, and then see it says $50. You go in and save it to your phone. To save it to my phone, I hit the little icon on the left. Add a tip jar QR code. So it says create a separate QR code to collect tips without requiring a purchase. With this, you can customize it. Say for instance, they purchase something, you can also give them 3 different options to give a tip. So it says the customers also has the choice to leave a custom amount or none at all. This is if they purchase something. Now, this right here is just a regular tip jar. So this is for someone who's like, oh, I don't want to buy any eyelashes, but how can I donate to your business? You can have a QR code for that too. You can now take contactless payments at your next pop-up shop. Thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you loves later.